Facing a growing threat from China, the Navy envisions drone ships keeping an electronic eye on enemy forces across the vast Pacific Ocean, extending the reach of firepower and keeping sailors out of harm's way. The Navy is speeding development of those robotic ships as an affordable way to keep pace with China's growing fleet while vowing not to repeat costly shipbuilding blunders from recent years. The 4 largest drone ships are being used together this summer during a multi-nation naval exercise in the Pacific Ocean. Other smaller waterborne drones are already being deployed by the Navy's 5th Fleet in the waters off the Middle East. The goal in coming years is to see how these research vessels' radar and sensors can be combined with artificial intelligence and integrated with traditional cruisers, destroyers, submarine and aircraft carriers to create a networked fleet that's resilient because it's spread over greater distances and more difficult for enemies to destroy, the Navy says. It's about moving the technology forward and having confidence in the capability. Everything takes time, said Commander Jeremiah Daly, commanding officer of Unmanned Surface Vessel Division 1 in California. The Navy believes the technology can help with the 3 keys for military success: weapons range, scouting, and command and control, at a lower cost and risk to personnel, said James Holmes, a professor at the Naval War College in Newport, Rhode Island. But all of those benefits must be proven, along with long-term durability in a harsh saltwater environment, he said. We're sort of in Jerry Maguire's show-me-the-money territory with the tech. It will undoubtedly be useful, but whether it will be a game-changer is far less clear, said Holmes, who doesn't speak for the Navy. Before moving forward, the Navy must first to win over a skeptical Congress after a series of shipbuilding debacles. Its speedy littoral combat ships have had propulsion problems, leading to early retirements. The advanced gun system on its stealth destroyer was a bust because of expensive ammo. And its newest aircraft carrier had problems with elevators and a new system to launch aircraft. Critics said the Navy rushed to cram too much new technology onto those ships, leading to failures and growing costs. We can't just throw all the resources at robotic ships, with the track record of 20 years of failed ship programs, said Democratic Representative Elaine Luria of Virginia, who was a retired Navy officer. The Navy's Unmanned Task Force is taking a new approach, using a military equivalent of a venture capital model to expedite new ideas and moving forward only after technologies are proven, said Michael Stewart, the director of the task force. This summer, 4 large drone ships are working alongside conventional ships during the war games called RIMPAC. Those include the Sea Hunter and Sea Hawk, diesel-powered ships equipped with outriggers for stability in rough seas. The other 2 are Ranger and Nomad, which are based on oil platform replenishment ships. They have large flat decks from which a missile was successfully fired last year. While those larger vessels are tested in the Pacific, the Navy is already seeing promising results with smaller, commercially available vessels that are being assessed by Task Force 59, which is part of the 5th Fleet in Bahrain, said Commander Timothy Hawkins, 5th Fleet spokesperson. One of the vessels that received attention is the Sail Drone, a sail-powered vessel with solar-powered systems. Equipped with radar and cameras, sail drones are touted as being able to operate autonomously for months at a time without maintenance or resupply.